everybody. So today we got our baby pig. He's a little male coon, and he's the cutest sleeping thing ever. He's already eaten. He left the corn and he ate all the sweet feed. What? What? You're too stinking cute, boy. He's gonna stay in this box for a while until he it's this box I had for my chicken. So he's gonna stay in here for a while till he gets a little bit bigger. That way I can slowly introduce him to the girls, but I don't want them to beat him up, so that's why he's in here. Aren't you just too cute? That's him, everybody. Can't wait to see how he is when he gets bigger. And I'm being summoned, so I gotta let y'all go. Bye.